It was gone for, I don't know, a week? Or that whole week it rained. And it seems to only want to come on or trip when it's nice and sunny outside. And it's above 80 degrees. Today it's 91. It's been the first day it's been that warm in a while. At least a week. Well, the last time I did it was a couple weeks ago, so here we are, back at it. I guess we'll head to the house, see what else we can do. Again. What are we? Oh, yeah. We're fixing the beeping, the dinging. That's what we're doing. We're fixing the dinging. Why did I forget that? Well, because I'm lazy. It's actually been 3 days later since I did the first part of this video. Because I'm lazy, that's why, okay? I just put up with it. It actually went off that one day coming home. That's when it did all that dinging. The next day, it dang? Is that the past tense? It dang one time on the way home and didn't do it again. And then yesterday, which is the day after that, it dang one time again. One time, and then it went away, so I just let it be. But here's what we're doing. What we're doing. Oh, first let's do this. Look what came in. My center cap. My center cap finally came in. Let's go put it on. And then we'll get back. We'll get back to it. All that junk. This is very important. So I don't look homeless anymore. Homeless people have cars? Probably not. And listen, live in the cars that make them homeless. That's probably very insensitive of me. Oh well, I'm an insensitive person, I guess. I got some mass airflow cleaner. I'll show you what we're gonna do with that. And I got a switch. I've seen quite a few of these fix the problem too. We'll see. Let's do this first. Grab my nap, grab my shop towel, grab my mass airflow sensor cleaner. This should do the trick. And so I've seen one guy on the internet. He just opened up here. So I can do this one-handed. Get this down here. Let's do this. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, let's see here. I got to get this in there somehow. That's not going to work one-handed. What's this? How about I just do this? We need something else. We need something else. I'm not even sure what we need. We'll try this. So one guy I saw, he took his pressure washer, not that one. He took his own pressure washer and he just nailed these open and then just hogged on it. I don't want to do that. I don't want to. Okay, this is ridiculous. Let's just do this. I don't know where that screw went to now. Cripes. It's down there. Now it's on the ground. I'll drive over that later. Don't worry about it. I'm going to take this and just layer in there. Oh, don't get on the paint. This stuff is... it's for cleaning your mass sensor. So it should be good on these electronics, electricals. So I'm just gonna spray there. It's not that dirty anyways. God, dog it, get in there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, just do it. Got it. And I think it just kind of evaporates. What's that? We'll call that good. We're gonna call that one good. I really don't need to leave that screw over there. Let's go get that screw. Got it. Okay. Now, oh, itchy nose. Oh my goodness. I don't have my GoPro on my stand. I'm using my phone today. Okay, that took way too much effort. So we got a new switch. Because of new buttons, I don't know. Here's the part number, if anybody cares. That's it. Oh, it came from mainline channel. That's good. That's good to know. Let's go get this stuff out. I've already got tore apart in here. I don't know why I brought the switch with me. I don't need it over here. So I've already broke this thing. You got to take the fuse panel off, which is it's a son of a gun. I had to use a little pry tool. Back this off a hair. Jeez Louise. But I've got it undone already. Yeah, that thing doesn't want to come off. And then you just pop this loose, pop, 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 and I've already got disconnected. Just so you guys didn't see me struggle with that again. And then we'll take this back over to the bench. Honky. Put that there. And then let me set this up somewhere. Okay. Now we gotta get this switch out, put this switch in. So that means we gotta get these Huyals off here. Whatever these things, whatever you want to call these things. Let me just pry right out. One, and so it came out this way. Came out this way, and you see it's got a little cattywampus to it. See? It's angled. It's got an angle. Let's get this one out. And that was angled too. And they're both the same, so it don't matter where they go. Now, we just gotta pop these little locks loose here. Oops. Okay. We gotta pop these locks loose, not these other ones. There we go. Boom. That's it. That's it. And then you have a different part number. So put this one back in there. It just pushes in. Boop. And if we want to, we can put the new switches in. Might as well, paid for them. Again, angled. Coming back at us. Put it right in there. And that's not how it goes. It goes like this. It goes this way, not this way. What a goof. See? If you put it in this way, put it in this way, the angle's wrong. It doesn't sit flush. I'm not going to jam it in there. But you see the little hole in there? Just jam her in there. That's it. And that put her in. All right, let's go put her in now. Yeah, let's go put her in and be done with this. Well, I hope to be done with it. Probably not. Oh, I gotta do this again. One-handed again. Oh, my nose itches. What does that mean? It just means your nose itches. Let me put you over here. Just sit right here. Here. Just sit right there. Nope, you can't see shit. Let's go over here. Just sit right there. Like that. There. And I'll put it in. You just relax. Pretty easy. Boom. 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 All we know. Buttons work. Well, snap it back in. Make sure I'm gonna seal around the duct is good. And then I just pop this back in. And that's that. What key's that? I mean, I'll do this again. But like last time, it doesn't mean it fixed anything. Come here. Whoa. So we'll start it again, and just like last time, who knows if it's fixed or not. Oh. I can't see, can you? Nothing. Of course, I didn't think anything was going to happen, but you never know. That's it for that one. Round 2. Hope there's not a round. Oh my goodness. Hope there's not a round 3. I don't remember what I paid for this one. I think it's like $20, and I got it the next day. So, and then the I've had this for years actually. When I had my old 3rd gen Camaro, I think I used it on my RST as well. But that's it, fellas, or ladies, if there's ladies out there. I doubt it, but whatever. Oh well. Yeah, so what did we do before? We swapped out that module below the bed, under the, or above the spare tire. Apparently there's another one back there I didn't know about. I did some more research after it, after it went off again. I did some more researching on there, and I came up with the same stuff, but apparently I missed the fact that there's 2 modules back here. So if we have to, I guess I'll swap another module, but we'll get through this. Hopefully this fixes it and we're done with it. Like I said, it went off the one day, and then it only did it once each day after that. I don't know. Same weather, which I thought maybe has something to do with the weather. I guess not. But that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment down below. If you didn't, well, pretend you did and leave a comment down below. But otherwise, we'll holler at you later, fellas. Later.